My dad's shrimp and vegetable stir-fry noodles. For the ingredients, we have shrimp, noodles, cabbage, celery, carrot, and red onion. Heat up the skillet and add oil. First, we will cook the shrimp, which has been marinated for 1 hour in the refrigerator. The marinade includes 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of sugar, a little sesame oil, and 1/2 teaspoon of cornstarch. Then set the shrimp aside and cook the vegetables. Add a little oil. Then set the vegetables aside. Using the same skillet, add a little oil and add the already blanched noodles. Add the thickening sauce, which includes 1 teaspoon of oyster sauce, 1 teaspoon of light soy sauce, 1/2 teaspoon of sugar, 1/3 teaspoon of salt, and 2 tablespoons of water. Set to medium heat and add back the vegetables. And lastly, add back the shrimp. Thank you for watching. Please give us a like and subscribe and turn on the notification bell.